大家好，我是 Martin, and this is A Phrase a Day English, brought to you by the Taichung Keda Language Center. Today's episode is about the phrase puppy love. Aw, Joe, that picture is so sweet. I think I'm going to throw up on you. Puppy love refers to two young people in love. And although that love might seem very intense, it probably won't last very long. In Chinese, you would say 小男小女短暂的爱情 or 不成熟的爱. I hope I said that right. Anyway, puppy love. The word puppy means a baby dog or an immature dog. Immature is the key word here. Immature simply means not quite an adult. You're still childish. So, immature love is love that does not last when you become an adult. So that's why we call it puppy love. I don't know about you, but I find puppy love very annoying. And I can give you two example sentences that will explain why. Example number 1. Those teenagers are in puppy love. Example 2. Puppy love is sweet, but it doesn't last. So, that has two problems why I don't like puppy love. Number 1, it involves teenagers. I hate teenagers, especially my students. Second problem is that it's love that is sweet, but doesn't last. I don't find that love to be very appealing. It's kind of annoying. But I'm more interested to know what you think. Have you had any experience with puppy love? Have you been in puppy love? Do you know anyone who was in puppy love? Tell us about it in the comments section. Please type in English and tell us about what you think about puppy love. I'm looking forward to your sentences, but probably not. But anyway, I will see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.